This is what I call a hair dryer. It's so strong. This baby dries my hair in less than 3 minutes, and I have a lot of hair. And it's called the Tideway. The best blow dryer. And also, I love this. Look. It's magnetic. I mean, awesome. This is so awesome. I absolutely love this blow dryer. They have cool colors. I'm going to link them down here. But show me another blow dryer who can do this. You're not going to find one. This one, and it's so affordable. I mean, you get like top-notch quality for a really low price. Get them. They have a super sale going on right now. They even have them in a super hot pink, ladies. Get them. The best hair dryer you will ever find.